everybody, it's your MGB News 60 for Friday, December the 6th. And now we have an update to that story we brought you yesterday about that passenger car in Sheboygan County crossing over the center line on M68 and hitting that propane tanker truck filled with 10,000 gallons of propane. Police believe the driver of the passenger car may have had alcohol in her system. And a rather interesting story out of Grand Traverse County, 911 services Wednesday experiencing ghost calls. Phones would ring, but nobody was there. It started about 5:30, it lasted till 8:30, and they're still not quite sure what was going on. All they know is that the phone would keep ringing and nobody would be there. Spooky. And Friday's update to the wolf harvest going on in the UP, still hanging in there at 19. And there is your MGB News 60 for Friday, December the 6th.